Okay, hello people. This is La Sampa for you. I'm here in Ghana, West Africa, Kakum National Park. So just few tips to give you. When you're entering into the park, each person has to pay 5 Ghana cedis to come in. And that is not include anything. They claim that it's just for the facilities, using the toilet, the water, and everything, just for that facilities. And then if you want to go on the canopy walk, you pay per person. They don't have a deal. So if you want to do the nature walk and canopy walk, you pay separately. They don't have a deal that if you want to do both, you will have a discount or something. They don't do that deal. And also, if you are not a Ghanaian, your price is different. And if you are a Ghanaian, your price is different. At the moment, let me check the time. At the moment, it's 8 in the morning, 8:17 in the morning. So that's why this place is kind of empty. But around 9:30, the whole place will be full with vans, lorries, cars, and all that. A lot of people really come to this place. So this environment, all this place will be full with cars and people. So we came early. We were advised to come early so that we can be the first batch. This is the signboard that you will see. They have few informations on it that you can read, and also you can go inside and get more information if you wish. And also this is the reception. This is the reception. You go in there and you get your ticket for the canopy walk and nature walk and many other things. The place is beautiful. It's nice, full of green. It's all good. And just around, it's very beautiful. A lot of trees, deep forest. It's nice. So we paid for the canopy walk. We're just waiting for somebody to come to us to take us on the canopy. Already it's beautiful, green, very green, not like what we see in the city of London and New York and other places. They have some trees planted by the roadside and all that, but this is typical forest, very beautiful. Natural resources, like amazing. Yeah, so this is what you see. And I don't want this intro to be too long because we will go in there and we will. Okay, so I'm walking around trying to show you a few beautiful places. You come and experience it. It's beautiful, good people, good stuff, restaurant. So you can come and enjoy African food. I don't know what they cook here, but definitely it will be delicious. So let's walk to the boutique. They have beautiful African clothes where you can buy and dress like a Ghanaian. That's inside for you. Got beautiful craft. Very well made Ghanaian stuff. You come in here, bring your money, spend it, buy something for them. That's why they are here. Come and explore the beautiful things Ghanaians have. You will look more than beautiful and handsome when you come around here. Come and enjoy. If you see something you don't know what is it, like this one, it's something that You can make music with it. You shake it and you sing, you clap and all that. And they've got this as well. I'm not gonna tell you the names because I might be wrong. Cool. They also have beautiful arts here. Yeah, beautiful arts. If you're interested, you ask them what the price is. There are no prices on it right now. So you can ask them the price and they will tell you. Okay, so for those of you who have not seen a cocoa tree before, this is how cocoa tree looks like. It takes years to grow them. You really have to know what you are doing. But basically, this is the cocoa tree. That's the cocoa. Okay, so this is the walkway to the hiking camp and canopy walk area. So this is where we're gonna go through, and it's written Aquaba. Okay, so a lot of people have a simple understanding of Aquaba. It means welcome, but in the olden days, in every village, we've got one person who's got knowledge about a lot of things. The old people will send the person to go to the city to acquire certain information or something. So when the person comes back, they will say Aquaba, like you've gone and you've come back. So now they will sit and gather and hear from you whatever information you brought from the city. So then it became very common and everybody says Aquaba, Aquaba. But that's the actual meaning. So it basically means welcome. Yeah. So every Ghanaian knows what is welcome. So if you cannot speak any Ghanaian language, learn how to say Aquaba. Okay, so mind you, when you pay for your trip, a canopy walk or anything, this is the point where you show the receipt before you can cross to the. So this is it. We paid it, 4 of us, each person is 35 Ghana cedis. They have 2 prices. When you're a foreigner, you're not a Ghanaian, you pay 100 Ghana cedis. That's the way it is. Just bring a lot of cash.
Right now, we're about to start the most difficult part of our tour. That's the hiking up to where the canopy walkway is. It's just about 20-25 minutes hiking. Okay, so please, I urge you to go for water at the restaurant, or if you're okay, you can continue with the tour.
Yeah, we've got water. We will share.
Thank you.
I thought it's going to be just the canopy, but now we have to hike. So, and I've got a bad knee. So I'll see how I can manage that. We're going in. So we've got 1 bottle of water to share. We didn't know there's a hiking involved, otherwise we would have taken a bottle for each. The journey has started. We're going, but this is just for the beginners. It's a beautiful surrounding. A lot of bamboo trees. Beautiful ones. They are dangerous and they are good as well. Profitable. Very strong. I know many of you know bamboo. It's got a lot of use for it. So, yeah, so the guy that says we can let him know if our horsepower expires, so he can give us few minutes to rest. But I don't think we need that rest right now. This is just the beginning. I'm not going to hold this up to the point, so I'll cut it off and then continue somewhere. Oh, yeah, that's the back there. Whew, this tells you how weak your heart is. These are some of the beautiful cocoa that they've displayed here. It's ripped, it's ready, it's sweet, beautiful. But I don't think we're allowed to touch it. Not like touch it, you can touch it but not to eat it. I don't know if you can see. This is the last resting place. Now we can go. Some people still have juice. So, man, you can see how sweaty I am. Yeah, it's really tough. But for average Ghanaian or somebody who is physically fit, this is nothing for them. It's quite a distance though. So after all this sweat, we now have to go to the canopy. Yeah, so I think I'm doing well with this place. It's my first time coming here. So watch your back. Yeah. So guys, do those to me. We are about to start. So let's see how it is. A few more steps to make. So this is the actual structure where the actual canopy starts. Look at that. That's the champion. This is where people shit themselves. We are on the canopy right now, and the way I see it, you need to be gentle so that it will not toss you over. It wouldn't, but yeah. This is it. This is how it is on the floor. Got some kind of aluminium ladder with a board on it. And now we are in the middle, and they say it's really deep. What makes it a bit scary is when a lot of people are on it and it's bouncing. Yeah, see how deep the forest is. God forbid if you fall, you will be splitted into pieces. Now, beautiful. Yeah. So totally 7. We just walked on this one. This is the next one, so this is a bit longer. This place is just like a reset. I'm going. Yeah. It's the longest. Yeah. Longest. It's not a joke, man. This is not a joke. You need to be holding it. Then you want to see how I'm sweating. Yeah, this is me sweating. Yeah, people are far behind. Far ahead. Just me. You don't want to look down. Trust me. You don't want to look down. Ooh la la. And there's 7 of them. This is just the second one. And it's long. And the next one that we are about to take is longer than this one. It's getting more scarier. And the canopy walk is hanging on these huge trees. Look at it. It's hanging on these huge trees. Another reset area. That's the size of the trees. Hey, Charlie, this is deadly voyage. Deadly voyage. Look at the forest. Surroundings are very beautiful. Very beautiful. Oh my God, this is longer than this second one we just finished. Yeah, if you think you are tough, just get here and see if you can still say I'm not afraid. So guys, we just managed this very long bad boy. It's not a joke, man. Really scary. You see how deep down the forest is. Don't even look down, my people. So yeah, the turning point, the resting point. Yeah, so this is really tough. Iron rods for heavy duty. Oh, right, I did me yet picture to show. Remember we were in free once. My brother is showing off. So this is the next journey. Hey guys, before you get on, think twice because there's no turning back. Because I need to be holding something. So they are going, and then yeah, that's it. See you at the end. Okay people, just have a look. It's all around and it's not a joke, I can confirm that. It's really scary. Everybody. So guys, this is the last one. It's 7 of them. They are very clever. The very first one is short, and then the second one is really long. The third one is way longer than the second one. The fourth one is long. The fifth one is long. The sixth one is not that too long, and this is the last one, which is the 7th one. Yeah, so we're on it. We've done well, but Honestly, this is my first and last. I'm not, guys. So I'm doing all this for you guys. Yeah, I'm doing all this for you guys, and it's not cheap either. It's very expensive, and it's for us. Yeah. So this is the last one. Yeah, the last canopy walk. So guys, thank you for staying with me. You gave me the courage to do it, so you can see how it is. Yeah, cool. So this is where we came from. And we went round, very scary. And we've come back down here. It's a bit dark there. Yeah, so we got a few people with us. Yeah, this is, I'm really like worked. I'm really worked. But it's worth it. A bit expensive though. Yeah. At the moment we are in a typical forest. So, first rest I think. And they've got a palm wine here. After you're exhausted, you can refresh yourself with the palm wine. And for those of you who doesn't know how the palm wine is, when the palm tree is, they cut it down or uproot it. They put it down and they dig a hole so the water comes out. This is naturally, not artificial, not man-made. It's naturally from the palm tree, and it's got a lot of benefits when you drink it. It's really, you can be intoxicated with it. It's really alcohol kind of, alcohol is in there. So when you get a chance to come around here, don't pass by these guys. They are working hard to make you refreshed. Okay, we made it. Whew. From the top, no, from the bottom to the top and the top to the bottom. So arrival hall. We just arrived at they said I survived the Kakum Canopy Walk. Yeah, we survived. We survived. We survived. We survived. So this is me, man. I'm still alive. There. I survived. It's not easy, it's not a joke. But I'm happy that I've managed to do the walk. It's really scary. It's not, I would say it's not easy. See you, thank you. I can see a lot of people here. Yeah, they're having fun. Music is playing. They've got music playing. What are you guys?
Yeah, from UCC.
UCC? Okay. So what is the UCC?
They use at the back. This is government.
Okay.
Association of Health, Secure Education.
Okay. Oh, so it's kind of high school. Okay. A university. Okay, cool. All right. So we've got our university guys here. They are chilling. And I'm telling you, it's not for free. Each of them, if they have to go on the canopy, one person is going to pay 35 Ghana cedis. And for average Ghanaian, it's not cheap. When you come in, bring a lot of money. The place is nice though, very scary. But I guess they're gonna be chilling right here. So yeah. They're saying welcome to you guys. So check it on Facebook, yeah? Yeah, this is Ghana for you. They can't complain. They chill. Yeah. Woo. Yeah, so university students, they are here to explore the place. It's amazing. Yeah. So everybody is happy. They're looking cool. Yeah. So we just finished our tour. and we're going home. I think they say it's children's park. Very beautiful for children. They will enjoy it. So there's no fee for children. Children are welcome to play around here. This is very beautiful. I mean, it's amazing. So when you come here with your kids, they've got a wonderful place to play. And this is more or less like Disney. This is natural Disney, not artificial. So come with your kids and enjoy it. Very beautiful elephant statue here. And then green, very green, which we don't normally see. But when you come around here, everything is green. The air we breathe and everything is pure. No mixed with cigarette and toxic kind of air that we breathe all the time. That is killing us slowly. You come to Africa, you enjoy the pure air. Walking down to the entrance. Man, I can't stop looking at the children's park. It's really beautiful. So this is another beautiful place. When you are too hot, you can just come and stand under the shade and relax a bit. Yeah, the surrounding is very beautiful. Very nice.